Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here, I am Ursula. I am the lover of all things beauty. That is your hair, your makeup, and your fashion. And welcome to another Baddie on a Budget rainbow haul.
Giddy up, giddy up. That's that ball drop.
In today's haul, I am sharing a few pieces. This is not a long haul. I don't have a lot of things, but I wanted to share the few pieces that I did find. And it was just recently, but y'all know rainbow items go quick. If you don't get them, like when you see them, it's just like Marshalls and TJ Maxx. I told you in the last rainbow haul, if you see it and you like it, you better grab it. Now, I also want to make this disclaimer. I am not encouraging you to go shopping. I'm not trying to get you to shop. That's not what this video is about. I'm just sharing with you the pieces that I found at Rainbow that were absolutely cute to me. They were just so cute. I said I have to share them with my girls. Now, if you have a Rainbow shops near you, y'all know Rainbow is the Blue Bag Boutique. That's not my saying. I got that from someone else. But the Blue Bag Boutique, if you have one near you, you can go check it out and see if you can find these pieces. I will link what I can in my LTK. So make sure you check the description box just in case you want to order online. But if I can't find it, then you might want to check your local Rainbow store. So anyway, girl, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and let's get into the haul. Up first are these jeans. Now the top didn't come from Rainbow. This tank top came from Walmart. If you haven't checked out the Walmart haul, check it out. But these jeans, honey, these jeans are so cute. I absolutely love them. I love the way they fit. They have good stretch. I'm wearing an extra large. I love the fact that it sits on my waist and I don't have the gapping in the back. That is an absolute plus. Y'all know how I go. I don't have the smallest waist, but I kind of have a little bit more junk in the trunk. So it makes that back part stick out, but these don't. And I love that about them. And y'all see they are cargo style, all the extra pockets everywhere. And these pockets do work. I know these do right here, as well as up here. Actually, all of them work. They are real pockets. And I hadn't checked that before now. I love that they're this acid wash black color. Super cute. Now, these jeans were a bit more pricey to me for Rainbow. These jeans were $34.99. But girl, I love the way they looked. I love the way they felt. I did the stretch factor in the store. We can't try on in our Rainbow. I don't know about yours or anywhere else, but at my local Rainbow, I can't try on. So I bought them, tried them on when I got home, and kept them. Let me just tell you this. I don't know about anywhere else. I don't know if this is a standard rule across all Rainbows, but you have 7 days to do a return in order to get your money back. After 7 days, you get issued a store credit. So keep that in mind. And I started off with the clothes, but let me show you. I do have 2 accessories. I have a pair of shoes and I have a bag. So let me show you those before I move on. Okay, these are the shoes that I found. I actually ordered them online. They are super cute. A red platform heel, sandal heel. I told y'all platforms are the easiest type of heel for me to walk in, and I'm sure it'll be for you too. They're coming off on camera like a true red, but they're more like a brick red. The only thing about this, let me tell you, I had to order an 8.5 in these because I did try on a black pair in the store, and I usually buy a 9 in all my shoes, but y'all know how in shoes like this, my heel was coming forward and it looked like I had a large gapping in the back as if I'm wearing someone else's shoes. I didn't like that. So I ordered the 8.5. What I don't like is when I put them on here in the front, I don't know if you can see it, but it's a little crease right here. And that crease came from when I put them on, and I don't like that. I still kept them because I needed a shoe this color and they were I think they were $29.99. I also ordered them in nude, but I had to return the nude because the buckle was defective. I couldn't even take the strap out. I couldn't do anything with it, but I reordered them and I'm currently waiting on those to come in. And y'all, I found this super cute crossbody bag, and y'all see that? Y'all know I love leopard. She has 2 buttons. She is not big at all. This is big enough for your credit cards, your ID, maybe a lip gloss or whatever lippy you wear. Oh, and I can't fit my small backup charger in here, but I can't put the USB in here. Maybe I could if I folded it down, but she's not very big. She is so cute, y'all. Look at that. Just a really cute, simple crossbody bag. I told y'all your accessories are the exclamation point to your outfit. And this little bag can take your outfit up a notch. And she was $15.99. Up next is this super cute 2-piece set. Now it's a 2-piece set, but each piece is sold individually. The bottom and the top are both extra large. The bottoms were $12.97 and this top here was $10.97. I kept on the same tank top that I just had on. You can put whatever you like underneath. This 2-piece set was just so cute to me. I wanted to get it, and I already knew I could pair it with a black tank top underneath. These actually come loose. This is the back. They have an elastic waist. And y'all, they are long. I could actually wear these with a pair of heels. Now, I'm not the tallest. I'm only 5'3". I could wear them with slippers, sandals, or heels, sneakers, however I want to. This is a super cute set. It's available in other colors. Another color was a brown, like a tannish color. I actually got that one. I'm gonna show it to you. Those 2 colors to me stood out the most. I absolutely love this set. Baddie on a budget. $10.97 for the top, $12.97 for the bottom. Like, you can't beat that. And a cute set, a comfortable set. You can't beat that. All right, girl, we have come to the last look of today's try-on haul. It is this super cute maxi dress. This striped chocolate and light blue. Let you see the colors, y'all see that? And she has a slit on each side. This is the back. I dressed her down and made her an elevated casual look with the brown sneakers that were in my Walmart haul. Yes, these sneakers come from Walmart. Super cute. And look, I had forgot that I had got the sneakers, and when I got home and I saw those sneakers, I was like, oh, that is cute, because I never dressed down like this with sneakers and a dress. I love how this looks. But what you think? Let me know what you think of this look in the comments. But anyway, I love it. It's cute. It has great stretch. This is an extra large. She's cute. I'm gonna be cute, and I think I'm about to wear her right now because I'm about to step out. So y'all make sure you're following me on all the platforms, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. So yeah, girl, let me know in the comments what you think. And girl, once again, if you have made it to this portion of the video, thank you for rocking with me today. Thank you for being here. Thank you for your continuous support. I greatly appreciate it. Now, let's keep me in the algorithm, so make sure you like this video. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Don't forget to check the description box, and make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend all about the Boutique Baddies YouTube channel. And I will see each one of you, same place, same channel, in the next video. Adios, girl.
That's that keep going. That's that never stop. Giddy up, giddy up.